Hello watcher and subscribers, this video is very important for you, and in this video we will see how you can generate a QR code. And here in this Excel file you can clearly observe this is my URL that I have copied from my YouTube channel. And if we scan this image, if we scan this QR code, then it will jump to that video, okay, because in this link my YouTube video is present. So once the student they will scan this QR code, they will be able to watch the video without manually typing this URL. Because what happened, this video, it is very important for the teacher. If you are creating a presentation or publishing book, then you can simply put your QR code and student will refer your QR code and they will be able to watch your video. So here what happened, we will see in this tutorial how we can generate a QR code easily, so that student can scan your QR code easily and they can refer the video instead of manually typing the URL. Got it? So it's very simple. We are visiting now here in the Google Chrome. You have to use this URL, and this URL will represent this QR code generator website. So this link I will represent in my description box also. From there also you can refer. So once you enter this URL, or you can say this link, then you will go to the QR code generator website. And here there are some options like URL, free text, contact and app. Means you can generate your QR code for URL also, and generally we need it for the URL, or you can use it for the particular text also that you have to type here. You can use it for the contact also, you have to give the detail here, and you can use it for the app also. Got it? These are the options here. So here actually whichever the process I am telling you, it's very simple for you. So what you are supposed to do here, suppose this is totally blank, okay, so you have to simply go in your YouTube channel. For example, here I open my YouTube channel, and here from your YouTube channel you have to copy the URL, and once you have copied your URL, you have to just paste it here. So you see automatically QR code is generated. So here there is a design option is also there that you can select it if you want it. So here you can select the styles also. From here you can select the colors also, you can select pixel, you can convert, means you can insert the logo also, you can add the size and margin, various things you can add, but my suggestion is that for you can go for the default one without doing much setting. For that, default one is the best one. So these are the options. If you want to add various options to your QR code, you can select it from here, and then finally you have to download. So this is what the QR code for my video. So what I am supposed to do, I will just download it. You have to give the name here, and this file will be downloaded. You see it is downloaded here, and then you can share it to your friend, or you can refer this image for PPT presentation, Excel, or you can add it in your book so that student will refer and scan it. Just like I have added in my Excel file, I just copied that image here, and you can share it by WhatsApp also, and student will scan your QR code and they will watch your video. So it will be useful for the audience, it will be useful for the student, they can refer your video easily. So I hope, dear student, this video is very helpful for you and you can refer this and you can share your QR code to your student for watching your videos for the education purpose. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.